Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we've got 2 eggs. That's Colby Jack. Some bacon. And this, Mike Foster here, how you doing? This is, it's pronounced several different ways. The English way they pronounce it here in America is crescent. Sometimes they say croissant. In France it's pronounced croissant. But no matter how you pronounce it, it's going to be fried egg, cheese, bacon on this roll. Let's cut this baby. You need a serrated edge, and you're going to run the knife through the middle and open this baby up while the pan is heating, and we're going to go cook that egg. That easy. See you at the stove. All right, we got a medium pan. Drop the butter down. Get it all coated. Put 1 egg down here. Looks pretty good. Let's put the other egg down right here. Sweet. These are going to take about 1.5 minutes. This side's cooking a little faster, so we're going to move it like this to equalize it. A little pepper. I like that. All right, let's check these guys out. Still another, we don't want to break the yolk, so still another few seconds here. All right, these are ready for a flip. Nice. Let's get that cheese on there. Lower that, melt the cheese, and I'll meet you up at the counter to put this baby together. All right, it's this simple. You got your bacon. That's a lot of bacon. But it's killer. Make sure it's spread out. These are perfectly cooked eggs. You saw them. And we're going to put them right there. Oh, that's perfect. That's a baby if I ever saw one. This is a hearty sandwich. Flipperoo. Centeroo. Here's the sliceroo. Here's the reveal. Look at this baby. That's gorgeous. I don't think McDonald's could beat that. Big bite coming up. Okay, there's another close-up. You know what it is. I don't have to repeat myself, but I will. Bacon and egg, cheese on a croissant, and it's gorgeous. The bacon, egg, and cheese just stands out, especially that bacon. But this is a perfect vehicle to hold it all together. It's nice and soft, firm and soft, but delicious. Like I said, don't go to a fast food place. Make this stuff yourself. Watch my videos. I can help you. Subscribe, tell people about Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
We'll edit all that out. Let's get centered. Is that what you said? Oh, I can take a break. Sweet mama. Boo-boo. Zibbly-doo. Zabbity-poo. Bacon do. And a baba.